Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to install advanced scene switcher on your PC. First, open your browser and search for advanced scene switcher on Google. Then open the official website. Next, click go to download. This will open a new tab. On the new tab, click jump to download to see all the available download options. If you are using Windows, download the Windows version. If you are on a Mac, download the Mac version. Once the download is complete, open the setup file and install it. After the installation, open OBS Studio. Click on Tools and you will see Advanced Scene Switcher in the menu. So open it and set it up the way you want. That's it. You can now start using Advanced Scene Switcher on your PC. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.